Hello again, my name is Fitz, welcome back to 10 Mill Lane. We're going to make another cocktail today. This is going to be one of our signature cocktails. It's called the Red Delicious. It's really fruity, really easy to drink, quite refreshing, and we sell loads of them. People go crazy for them. So I'm just going to teach you how to make one of these. It's super simple. First we're going to take a lovely long sling glass. Just pop that here. I'm going to fill it with loads and loads of crushed ice. So crushed ice all the way to the top. There we are, it's looking good. I'm going to take a little bit of citrus juice. For that I'm just going to use just half a lime. I'm going to cut that down the middle and just squeeze it just straight into the glass. Perfect. And I'm going to add my first alcohol, my first spirit. I'm going to take one shot or 25 milliliters of vodka. For this I'm using Absolute. It's a nice high quality vodka and it goes really, really well with the rest of our ingredients. There we go, right to the top. Then I'm going to add just 25 milliliters of apple schnapps. I'm using Tetra apple schnapps. It's quite sweet, so it's going to help balance out that citrus that's already in there, and it's going to give it a really strong apple flavour. So just 25 milliliters. There we go. Perfect. Then I'm going to add some juice. I'm going to add some apple juice. It's just going to lengthen the drink. It's going to take the edge off that vodka a little bit, and again make it super easy to drink. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, or 75 milliliters of apple juice. That's perfect. I'm going to mix this drink a little bit different. I'm going to use a technique called swizzling. Now, swizzling is a technique used in the Caribbean often to make really, really cold rum drinks called rum swizzles. I'm actually using a swizzle stick from Martinique. These are quite hard to come by, so if you're making it at home, you can use just a spoon or a fork will do. And what this does is kind of halfway between a shake and a stir. It's going to get the drink super, super cold, so it's going to be really, really refreshing, and it's going to help to, again, lengthen that drink and just make it perfect for those hot days. So put my swizzle stick in there, and I'm just going to really quickly it's looking good. Excellent. Okay, that's lovely and cold. You can see that froth on top of the drink. That means there's loads of air in there as well. I'm going to take lots of crushed ice on top. There we go. And then I'm just going to chop up some apple segments. So super easy. Straight down the middle. And then 1, 2, and 3 apple segments. There we go. If I add these to the top of the drink, just a nice fan. There we go. And then I'm just going to add some grenadine on the top. Again, that's going to sweeten up the drink and adds that beautiful red colour. Straw to the side. There we have it. One Red Delicious.